I have a reading for you, Capricorn March, which I think really can be interpreted in two ways, depending on your gender. Because it's all about justice. And it's all about justice for something that happened in the past when you were very much more impulsive, a person much more of action, maybe even entrepreneurial. But it's playing on your mind, this thing that happened in the past. And I'm pretty certain this thing that happened in the past was that either you got pregnant or you got somebody pregnant. And it's playing on your mind because of you're either not paying maintenance or you're not being paid maintenance. Somebody got pregnant, and it's either you or you're responsible, and that's why, the interpretation depends on the gender. You're worried about this. It's worrying you. Now, again, it could be you're worried because of you really need that maintenance to support your family, or you're worried about getting caught. So we could see it one of two ways. But there could be a different outcome to this, because you do have choices. You do have choices. Not all of the choices are good choices. Now, let's just assume you're male now. So you could run off again. You could move states, move countries. You could try and avoid it once more. There are other options. We don't know that they're good options, but there are other options. But I think you rather welcome justice coming, and this is dependent. It doesn't matter whether you're male or female. You rather welcome it, and it's an opportunity to start your life again. Yes, you will feel an additional burden. So that's suggesting you're male, but maybe that card's just for the male. But an end is in sight. An end is in sight. You feel relieved. You do feel relieved by this justice, and you feel that now you can start a new life. You can start a new life with no longer with a heavy heart, no longer with this worry that's been consuming you. Now, some information comes to light as a result of this justice, and I think that makes you feel an awful lot better. Couldn't say quite what the information is, but you enter life now with a light heart. Things feel much better for you. So justice has been a catalyst for positive change in your life.